It's the middle of the afternoon and all of the neighborhood kids just stormed on your backyard. What are you gonna do? You know they're gonna be hungry. Well, you could start the air fryer, but you can only fit just a few chicken tenders in there. I've got a better idea. The Ninja FlexFlame Grill. Now, keep in mind, it does not have an air crisp setting. Now, the Ninja Wood Fire Grill, that has an air crisp / air fryer setting. The Ninja Grill doesn't, but I'm gonna use these air fryer baskets. These are actually accessories for the Ninja Wood Fire Grill, but you can use them in the Ninja FlexFlame Grill. And as you can see, they hold so much more than a traditional air fryer. I'm gonna start with chicken tenders because pretty much every kid loves a chicken tender. You can throw a bunch of these in here. Just like any air fryer, you wanna do everything in a single layer. All right, now for this pan, I've got potato skins and I've got mozzarella sticks. We'll do a little bit of both of those in here. Again, just a nice single layer. I love mozzarella sticks. I saw something online the other day that said like if somebody offered you like a cheese stick, like just a normal cheese stick out of the refrigerator, you'd be like, okay, I'll take one. But if somebody offers you a mozzarella cheese stick, like one of these, I could eat like 6, like so crazy. That's good. Okay, now we're gonna go with the potato skins. These are all frozen. So if you keep these in your freezer for when kids come over or some hungry friends come over, this is super quick to do a big spread, a big party fast. Okay, I've got a little bit more room. Now I'm gonna add lumpia, which are Filipino egg rolls basically. I got the chicken ones here. I like to make these from scratch, but again, we're going fast. This is that party you didn't know that you were gonna throw, and you gotta have some food for people before they get hangry. Okay, so this is a pretty big spread. Like that would be a good platter. Now let's go set up the grill. So the first thing you need to do is look at what temperature it says to use for air fry. For these potato skins and the mozzarella sticks, it says set your air fryer to 360. For the lumpia, it says 375. And for the chicken, it says 350. So I'm just gonna go with the average of all of those, and I'm gonna go with 360. We're gonna go set it to the roast bake setting and 360, and then we'll put all of this on the grill. All right, I've got the grill preheated. This pan fits on here perfectly. There we go. Let's close it down and see how long it takes. It's been 6 minutes. Let's take a peek. We definitely need our cheese to melt more. Yeah, everything needs to go a little bit longer. We're gonna let it ride. Okay, these have been on for just over 12 minutes. One thing I like to do, you can see that that mozzarella stick's already ready, but I do like to just kind of test it. It says that it should be to 165. Those are definitely done. Chicken's definitely heated through. Yep, lumpia's there. Awesome. Okay, now we can turn this into a proper spread. We're gonna put our mozzarella sticks on here. We've got our potato skins. Who doesn't love a potato skin? I tell you what. And with the mozzarella sticks, you wanna just add a little bit of marinara or pizza sauce. For the potato skins, if you have sour cream, great. If not, just throw on some green onions. Something a little bit fresh. You could add tomatoes. They've already got bacon and cheese on them, so that part's taken care of, which is great. Next, we've got our lumpia here. These are the Filipino egg rolls. You can do Chinese egg rolls too, whatever. That actually came with its own sweet and sour sauce, which is nice. Just add that right in there. And finally, we have got the chicken tenders. Now think about it, if you would have done all of this in a regular air fryer, everything would have taken like probably 6 to 10 minutes per batch. And I don't even know if you could fit that whole amount of chicken tenders in one air fryer. So you would have had to cook this in so many stages, which means that, I mean, everybody would have been already totally getting hangry, which is not what you want. You just want everybody happy, entertained. Your house will be the place to go to on the block. I put some ranch dressing in there. I've got some barbecue sauce, just some dippers for the chicken tenders. There we go. With the Ninja FlexFlame, it's not just a grill, it's also an air fryer. You can pull off this whole spread. All you have to do is preheat the grill while you load everything in the baskets, cook it for 10 to 12 minutes, throw it on a platter. In less than 20 minutes, you can feed the crowd. You are the hero mom, the hero dad. I tell you what, mozzarella sticks, so fast, and so cheesy. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a video, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you're gonna air fry up. Thanks for watching, guys.